Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown for all you tech enthusiasts out there. It's the battle of the motherboards. In the left corner, we have the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS, and in the right corner, its contender, the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 AMD AM4 ATX motherboard. Get ready for some serious motherboard madness. Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS comes in at a cool $139, while its opponent, the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2, demands a slightly higher price of $169. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to keep some extra cash in my pocket. So, the winner of this round is the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS. Next up, we have connectivity. Both of these motherboards offer some impressive features, but let's see who comes out on top. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS boasts ultrafast connectivity with a PCIe 4.0 x 16 safe slot, dual M.2 slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, and even HDMI 2.1 for that crystal clear 4K at 60 Hz experience. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 takes it up a notch with Wi-Fi 6, 2.5 gigabits LAN, and a front panel USB 3.2 Gen 1 connector. It's a tough call, but I have to give this round to the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 for its high-performance gaming networking. Now let's talk power and cooling. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS brings comprehensive cooling to the table with its VRM heatsink, chipset heatsink, hybrid fan headers, and the trusty Fan Expert 2 utility. Meanwhile, the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 flexes its muscles with robust power design, featuring 8+2 DRMOS power stages, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors. But wait, there's more. It also offers a fanless VRM and PCH heatsink, multiple hybrid fan headers, and fan speed management with Fan Expert 4. This round goes to the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 for its optimized thermal solution and impressive power design. Let's not forget about memory performance, folks. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS comes equipped with ASUS Optimum proprietary trace layout, allowing memory kits to operate at higher frequencies with lower voltages. This means you can maximize your system performance and enjoy that extra speed. The ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 also supports high-speed memory, ensuring smooth multitasking and lightning-fast responsiveness. It's a tie in this category because both motherboards offer boosted memory performance. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 battled it out, and both put up a good fight. In the end, it all comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you're on a budget, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS might be the perfect choice for you. But if you're a hardcore gamer looking for that extra networking power, the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 could be your match made in motherboard heaven. And there you have it, folks. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 battled it out, and both put up a good fight. In the end, it all comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you're on a budget, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS might be the perfect choice for you. But if you're a hardcore gamer looking for that extra networking power, the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 could be your match made in motherboard heaven. Remember, the product links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy shopping!